Hi guys, Big Boss house was full of colors and masti yesterday because it was Monalisa's wedding with her boyfriend Vikrant. We have Arushi with us who will give you more updates.
So Kriti, yesterday finally Mona Lisa got married to her boyfriend Vikrant, but before her big wedding there were all the ceremonies which happened inside the house. In yesterday's episode we witnessed the haldi ceremony of Mona Lisa, and in yesterday's episode we saw mehendi Sangeet and mehendi, and there were more
proper
guests.
Ritual that
Proper Hindu traditional wedding it was. And we saw Mona Lisa's friends and relatives coming inside the house. We saw Bhojpuri actors Ravi Kishan and Nirua coming inside, and Mona Lisa's mother was there, Vikrant's sister. So in all, it was all a happy atmosphere in the Big Boss house. And we saw Manveer teasing Bani that you don't have any place to apply mehendi, you should probably do it on your face. And Lopamudra took more time than Mona Lisa to get ready because she was busy applying all the makeup. And even Manu and Manveer teased her that we hope you come here before the mehendi ceremony gets over. And
so it was all fun and
it was all happy.
A different atmosphere altogether.
Yeah, right? So finally there was some celebrations inside the Big Boss house after so many days, and obviously they needed TRPs for the show. So it was a gimmick, you can say that Mona Lisa's wedding was a big gimmick for pouring in TRPs for the show. And next we saw the wedding happened with proper Hindu traditions. They tied the knot, and later after the wedding there was this post-wedding reception which was all starry affair, and the contestants danced. Ravi Kishan danced with Bani. So it was all happy. They were all in the celebratory mood. The fun part was Manu and Manveer imitating Vikrant in front of Mona Lisa. And it was very funny how they imitated both of them. They actually imitated the first time Vikrant entered the house. And how he pointed out that Mona Lisa is doing wrong inside the house and she has been closed.
What was Vikrant's reaction to this? I'm really
Actually, Mona Lisa gave him a prior warning that see, this is going to happen, so you should not mind all of that. So Vikrant was okay. All of them enjoyed whatever Manu and Manveer acted in front of them, but there were some differences appearing between Manu and Manveer, since Manu passed a comment on Lopamudra that you are lesser beautiful than Bani. So Manveer was like, you should not have commented at such a moment when everybody was partying and everybody was in a happy mood. And Manu was like, no, I said all of that only in a fun manner. It was all fun.
Just in the flow.
So now we are seeing that however the game is coming closer to the finale, friendships are getting sore.
I think by now they have just lost that patience probably, or just getting a different side of them.
Because Manu somewhere has realized that Manveer has a greater fan following than him.
He's getting insecure about it.
Because he saw it clearly in that ticket to finale task. So he somewhere is conscious about it.
We have seen his changing nature, and probably saying all the time that he is more famous. Probably that is hitting him somewhere.
Because until now we have seen Manu making sacrifices for Manveer, his captaincy for in the task. So somewhere is like he's not getting paid back for all that he had done. And in today's episode now there will be another big task where we will see Bani and Lopamudra once again getting into a scuffle, which is nothing new in the Big Boss house. But there will be another scuffle between Bani and Lopamudra. So let's see what happens in tonight's episode in the Big Boss house. Till then, keep watching IndianExpress.com. Thank you.